Rossmönster vans, and today I want to show you around this Transit 148 Extended that we just wrapped up. Before we go inside, a few exterior highlights of this rig. We have an Aluminess double loop roof rack up top with an Aluminess ladder on the other side. We have a Fiamma awning up top, and then we also have this walnut exterior happy hour table that we can pull out. Just like that. All right, welcome inside. Design features of this rig: we have walnut butcher block countertops on both sides. We have distressed brown hickory flooring on the bottom. And then we have walnut stained pine tongue and groove up top. And then for all of our cabinetry, we have painted white slab door cabinets throughout. So I'll start at the front and work my way back. All right, so on the driver's side of the vehicle, we have our dinette here, nice and roomy with a walnut table on our lagoon mount. We also have a backrest that can flip up and over, so you can turn this guy into a day bed or a dog bed or what have you. Moving a little bit further back, we have our dinette. So we have a single True Induction cooktop in the rear. Then we have a 15 by 15 Ruvati sink a little bit further to the front. And then we have a 20-inch walnut countertop extension to get a little bit more prep real estate here. Underneath the sink, we'll have a removable 7-gallon gray water tank, along with a really nice drawer bank here for utensils, plates, all of that. As per usual, it's all on our V-latches, so nothing goes flying while we're in transit. And then we have some shelving beyond that. Moving back to the driver's side, we have a 4.6 cubic foot door style isotherm fridge and freezer combo, and then just another nice little workstation, along with a ton of uppers for more storage. These are all going to be on gas struts for easy opening and closing. Coming even further back, we have a 30 by 30 shower with a Nautilus door here. So this shower is going to house our Nature's Head composting toilet. It's also going to be a great place to take an indoor shower during the winter in case it's freezing out. And then this van also has a Rixon hydronic heat and hot water system. So that's going to obviously pull hot water into this shower. All the way in the rear here, we have our raised bed. This bed has Flarespace on either side that's going to allow these people to sleep lengthwise in the van and have a ton of room for their to fully sprawl out. And then on both sides of the bed, we have these half slide windows for a little bit of cross ventilation. Another nice feature about this van is that we have a hard partition getting into the garage area, which I'll show you from the rear. Lastly, going through ventilation in this van, in the front we have two C.R. Lawrence T-vent windows, and then as I mentioned, we have those half slides in the rear. We also have a max air fan up top. Something really nice about these fans is they can either pull air out of the van or suck it in, depending on what you're doing. And then all the way in the back, we have a Dometic Penguin AC unit. So this rig is truly going to be 4-season capable. All right, in the rear of this van, you can see we have a ton of storage for gear. That's one of the really nice things about these fixed beds. You can see the hard partition from the back here. Additionally, we have an exterior shower, so you just put a quick connect in there. You can take a nice shower. On the driver's side, we have our water cabinet. So in here, we're going to have a 30-gallon freshwater tank. We're also going to house our Rixon hydronic heat and hot water system in there. And then moving over to the passenger side, we have our power cabinet. So in here, we're going to have 340 amp hours of AGM Super Cycle battery. We have a 3,000 watt inverter, and we have 100 watts of solar up top. All right, moving over to the final angle of this van, you can check out the Aluminess ladder to go up to that Aluminess roof rack. Up top, that's where we're going to have a little bit extra storage and house the solar. So that wraps up this van tour. Again, I'm Lucy with Rossmönster Vans. Be sure to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a van tour. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.